Today we're taking part in one of our Greenpower USA F24 competitions where we have students in middle and high school compete with their student-built electric vehicles.
Great, perfect. Okay, got it.
This year we actually have over 40 events scheduled, culminating in our national championships at the Talladega Superspeedway.
We are currently fixing a few issues on our Greenpower electric car.
The driver's safety is the important issue, making sure that he can't be hurt.
We were missing 2 bolts. We had to tighten this cable right here so as the friction didn't loosen it and the brake would work. We had to tape up these wires to get them off of the axle so as we didn't rip them out. And then we had to make a cushion for one of our drivers so that way the seatbelt would fit properly.
Safety is the big issue.
This morning we woke up and it was, I think, 27 degrees when we left the hotel, and it's turned into an absolutely beautiful day.
Keep it steady, keep it steady. All right, you're good, all right? You know the class, you know the course. Just pay attention to pit signs, all right? We'll get you up to 15.
This is my first time here, and really beautiful campus. The kids are doing a great job. We're really excited to be here. I know this is our 3rd year that we're here. We really want to start doing something. We want to get involved in this, and we want to see Greenpower racing here at Richmond Hill. And so we started working with them, developed different concepts for the tracks that we could do. Today we're actually running a little bit bigger track than we did last year. So good to see it's evolving and growing.
We are building an electric power car to help reduce pollution, and I'm very good at it because I actually pay attention.
Hannah's been on the team. I believe this is her 3rd year. She's been an amazing part.
I wasn't ever afraid to ask questions or ask for help. I'd ask some of the 8th graders what certain parts do, and I listened and I remembered it. So I know the cars pretty well.
I can't find the list part for this. I'll find it.
It's right where the metal is.
Oh, it's right where the metal is?
Yeah, right here.
She's been a valedictorian, if you will, as well, because kids listen to her, because she knows what she's doing.
All right, got this. Any questions? So I'd say kind of just help guide everyone, but the work has to be split evenly.
She's been out there running around, doing whatever she could to make these teams successful.
Sometimes I really did hate Mr. Moore. I was like, I don't want to do this. What am I doing? Let me leave. He told me no. He told me to work on the car, and I do thank him for that because I have learned and grown so much.
And so this is an opportunity for kids to be mechanical and learn things don't always go the way they're supposed to, and learning things that most kids at this age wouldn't know how to do.
He doesn't go and do everything for you once there's an issue. He kind of just tells you what to do. He'll help guide you, but he never does anything for you.
I have very little to do with it. Only if they run into a problem, I try to help them figure out a way to get around it.
Once you learn how to do something yourself, it just kind of clicks and you'll remember how to do it forever.
She'll be here until the very end. She'll be doing her best.
Okay, very good. Release it. We ain't getting the brake light here, are we, folks? Hit the brakes again. No brake light. So we gotta fix it.
It was interesting. So up here, it was disconnected and I couldn't get it to fit fully because it's just a very small spot. So it was right here and it wasn't connected fully. And so I had to reconnect it. I've done lots of late nights, staying after school, working on the cars, fixing problems. It's okay when problems happen. You just gotta take a deep breath, sometimes step away for a second, and you gotta learn it's okay. Things are gonna happen. The world isn't gonna always work the way you want it to, and you just gotta figure out how to fix it. You got it fixed.
I have to say that even though we had the breakdowns, I think it's a very good learning experience for the kids here. And teamwork, the parents have been pitching in. 3.
Ready? We're gonna push.
It's a chain, bro.
Okay, I need a wrench.
This is a wonderful event right here.
The kids are out here, they're learning. That's the biggest picture for us at Greenpower. Coastal Electric and all the community partners that help put these together, it's what makes this stuff work.
This program wouldn't exist without Coastal Electric's input
A lot of times with schools, you end up having some budget issues or some budget concerns.
They've supported us from the beginning. They bought the cars, kids for us. They helped us sponsor these events. They've given our team grants 3 years in a row.
You're supporting the future of the world. You are supporting future minds. You're helping people learn and grow and understand new concepts and ideas.
Having partners in the community that are helping to work with students, work with teachers, and find ways to keep the kids engaged. And so, name recognition and kids just getting involved and knowing that there's people out in the community that are there to support them is really powerful.